Oh my gosh.
Tropical storm warning. A tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties. In Florida, coastal Indian River, coastal Martin, coastal St. Lucie. Inland Indian River, inland Martin, inland northern Brevard, inland southern Brevard, inland St. Lucie. Mainland northern Brevard, mainland southern Brevard, northern Brevard Barrier Islands, Okeechobee, Osceola, and southern Brevard Barrier Islands.
Oh, it happened. Oh my gosh. Wait.
Your weather roundup at 5 a.m. Orlando International Airport, Mother Ocean.
Oh my gosh. I tried waking you guys up forever. And no, something did go off. Your alarm was going off like crazy. Oh, my camera took forever to start recording, but oh my gosh. Come on. Jesus Christ.
So, is it gonna be in TBW?
Maybe. This is only just Melbourne's. Oh my gosh. Tropical storm warning. Oh, jeez. 991 went off. Oh my gosh. Whew. Well, first one of these of the year. I'm putting more radios on KIH just in case they issue one for Polk. Which actually kind of happened. Kind of.
Okay, looks like I'm not getting a tropical storm warning at this time.
Oh, not for that area? The coastal waters
The
are...
alert is for the east coast of Florida, western Cuba, and the northwestern Bahamas.